Here are 5 things you didn't know about financial manipulation that could be destroying your independence. First, when someone insists on helping with your finances by taking control of your accounts for convenience, they're actually isolating you from your own money. Second, friends who always forget their wallet aren't forgetful. They're training you to always pay while they keep their cash. Third, family members who call you selfish for setting financial boundaries are using guilt to manipulate your emotions and open your wallet. Fourth, romantic partners who suggest expensive dates, then pressure you to split the bill when they earn way more, are testing how much they can exploit you. Fifth, people who call your financial goals unrealistic while expecting you to fund their lifestyle want to keep you broke so you'll stay dependent. These tactics disguise control as care and manipulation as practicality. Protecting your money isn't selfish, it's protecting your future independence and self-worth.